Got a little something for y'all, man. Here we go. Ain't a beat I can't eat, my tummy stay violent. I give you 3 steps like Van Zandt, throw your towels in. Goons wildin', hollering at the moon, bloodthirsty, cook shit like talents and bullets at you like a slug derby. You not worthy, too soft, you thug furries, furry goody supple. I'm on my hoodie hustle, so don't worry. You homos wrestle, I really tussle. Don't make me exercise my slapper bitch muscle. Get it right, I will touch you. If it's fuck me, then fuck you, dog. I'm about this shit. Got a track record miles long, go ahead, doubt that shit. My spout spiteful, I'm sick. Do the job to China's flow splits tight in the Eiffel. You trip, I hope God behind you might flip. They go out and find you, then I say they gon' have to find you. You the shit, homie, who you lying to? I meant the tiger in the line to you tits. So stop this something like fuck you for one for your dick. So instead I terrorize the kicks. Come on, get your ish.